The anemone and the clownfish. Nature provides many examples of animals that cooperate with each other. Sometimes these animals join together for protection. Other times, the animals cooperate to obtain food. Here is an unusual example of two animals that do both. The sea anemone may not look like an animal to some people. That's because it looks like an underwater flower with tentacles for flower petals. From where it's attached on rock or coral, the sea anemone waves its tentacles back and forth. These tentacles have stinging cells that can stun and capture small animals, which the sea anemone eats. These tentacles also give the sea anemone protection. Even so, there are predators that try to feed on sea anemones. Luckily, a small, brightly colored clownfish chases off these attackers. The clownfish has developed protection from the sea anemone's tentacles. It is safe among the waving stingers. The clownfish leaves scraps of food for the anemone and cleans its tentacles. If a predator threatens the clownfish, it will flee to the safety of the sea anemone. If the attacker goes into the anemone's tentacles to get the clownfish, it will be stung. This means that the clownfish's predator has become the anemone's prey. Question 4. What is the main idea of this article? A. Predators try to feed on anemones. B. The clownfish is safe among the anemone's stingers. C. Sea anemones look more like plants than animals. D. The sea anemone and the clownfish work together. Question 5. Which detail is important because it supports the main idea? A. The sea anemone provides protection for clownfish. B. The sea anemone looks like a flower with petals. C. The sea anemone attaches itself on rock or coral. D. The sea anemone waves its stingers back and forth.